You're watching UNICEF television. It's the morning rounds of the Village Mother Support Group. Today they're visiting one of the poorest families in this remote village in eastern Sri Lanka. Sujalan is the youngest of Lakshmi's 3 children. He's 2 and he's had severe acute malnutrition. They want to monitor his progress, check his medical record and give support. There's good news. Sujalan's health is improving. The Mother Support Group is one of many important initiatives resulting from a partnership in Sri Lanka between the government, UNICEF and the European Union. This EU project is about improving access to vital public services for communities who are returning home having been displaced by conflict. Now, there are more than 100 volunteer mother support groups operating in villages around Trincomalee. Their brief is to raise awareness and share knowledge on nutrition and health among the young families. They keep an eye on children and the women in need. And the partnership has enabled these volunteer women to be trained in counselling, nutrition and food preparation.
Being a member of the Mother Support Group has been so useful for me. I have learned many practical things about how to be healthy. This is a poor area. Too many children in this village were sick. They were not using the health center and too many children were not eating healthy diets. This has changed and I feel I am contributing to making all children here healthier.
Across the village, the midwives are reporting for duty at the new health centre. The centre was built using funds from this partnership. It opened its doors in December 2011, a brand new vital facility located in the middle of this vulnerable community. The health of young mums-to-be, such as Darshini, is now checked in decent, local surroundings. The baby's growth is measured. Darshini's blood pressure is checked. The baby's heartbeat is fine. All is well. The baby is expected in 2 weeks. The midwives say that within the last 18 months, local incidences of malnutrition among those children aged under 5 has dropped markedly. Housewife and mother of 7 Komati is enjoying the benefits of her new well. Until 2 weeks ago, she was walking 1 kilometre to draw water from another well down the road. Improving access to safe water and decent sanitation is another component of this partnership. This well is shared with another 7 families, and the neighbours drop by to replenish their water stocks. And that's not all. Komati's family are among the proud owners of a new household toilet, courtesy of this partnership. On the main village road, digging continues to lay new pipelines for household tapped water supplies. The Padilapuram school stands out as a beacon amid the village landscape. It too was rebuilt by the government, the EU and the UNICEF. Pupils study mathematics in classrooms, not under a tree. And these newly built classrooms have enabled the school register to grow from around 400 pupils a year ago to nearly 600 now. More growth is expected. More children want to attend this school.
This is the village affected by conflict and tsunami, but thanks for UNICEF and European Union, based on their partnership, be able to invest on education, public health and nutrition, and water and sanitation. As a result, now there's an improvement in mother and child lives.
And so this is just one of the communities benefiting greatly from this 3-year project in Sri Lanka's eastern province. It represents an investment of more than €9 million, of which more than €1 million was contributed by UNICEF. It includes the construction of many schools, health centres and improves access to water for thousands of families. As the Mother Support Group heads off on another fresh round of home visits, it's reassuring to know that this government, EU and UNICEF partnership is helping communities to take care of themselves. It's an example of addressing inequality by alleviating poverty and restoring communities as sustainable, decent places in which to live. This is Mervyn Fletcher in Trincomalee, Eastern Sri Lanka for UNICEF Television. For more information, go to unicef.org. Unite for Children.